hope you're well, and for today's video I'm going to get my friend Brandon to voice over me doing my makeup. Now I feel like this was such like an old trend of a video, but we're bringing it back. It should be interesting. I don't know how Brandon's going to do until he sends me the audio clip of him voicing it, so should be interesting. He was talking about me doing a bit of my makeup the other day and it was quite entertaining to listen to, which brought this whole idea up. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. From now on you will only be hearing Brandon's voice and I'll be back at the end. So yeah, enjoy and let's see how well Brandon does.
Here we go. We begin with a neck warmer, apparently. Are you already wearing a turtleneck? So I don't know why. Oh, no, there we go. Yep, no, it's a headband. Should have seen that one coming. Okay, so we begin with some sort of creamy coloured cream, brownie creamy coloured cream. We've got to put that all over our cheeks and our nose. Got to make sure that got to do that. That's important. Just a little dabble on the forehead, back on the area that we've already apparently covered, but there we go. A bit on the chin. And now we rub it all in. We rub it all in. Make sure we get that out. I won't lie. Oh, okay. Oh, I did not read that. Oh, the little dumpling sponge. That's very cute. Right, put the... I saw conceal, so I'm going to say this is... I don't think this is concealer, is it? Oh, maybe it might be wrong. I'm going to say this is concealer. I'm not sure. This might be concealer. But we've got to get that around. There we go. Dab it. Oh. 3 spots on your head. Looks very funny. Yeah, make sure we get those mixed in. I'm going to say this is concealer, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm a massive rookie here. Okay, so yeah, I guess you don't want it to contrast against the shade of your neck, so that makes a lot of sense. So you can make sure you get it around. Yeah, make sure to get that covered. Oh, that's the same brand, same sort of texting or the text. I guess that's just it's for finer lining. Okay, right. So we're doing finer concealing, and little sponge, little pointy sponge, getting dabbed around. There we go, and ta-da! It is. Oh no, we're still going. Oh no, there we go. Ta-da! Haha, there we go. Concealer has been applied. Revolution. What colour are we going for? Hello, little mirror. We're all going for a top light. Oh, we're going for a nice pink. Oh, okay, very nice. Make sure we get the big fat brush. Rub that in under the eyes. There we go. Nice and covered over. Oh, now on the nose. There we go. And get your moustache. Cover across your forehead. There we go. We're going for a now finer brush. I don't know what this part is called. I won't lie to you. I'm going to say, there we go. Bit of definition. I like that. Put a bit of definition on the cheeks. That's good. That is. And put a bit across your forehead as well. Are you going to go under your neck with that? Maybe. Is that going to cheeks? You are. Oh, yes. It is going into the next. Oh, I'm on the ball here. So I don't know what this is called, though. Going for... Is that an even bigger brush? That is a bigger brush. Oh, it's for the cheeks. Oh, so I guess we're going to sort of blend the colours in together. You don't want any weird defined lines. You want it sort of like blended in together. But I won't lie to you. Okay, Ultra Contour Palettes. We're adding contour. I can't. I didn't read the text in time. Okay, so a little sort of medium brush. We're grabbing all the colours. We're very greedy. We're going to make sure that's rubbed in. Going above the defined, the bit of the contrast line on the cheeks. Very nice. Oh, making it nice and rosy. Making the cheeks rosy. I still don't know what the name of this is. And I don't think I'm going to get it. We're going for the right side. I like the pattern on the colour palette there. Oh, now that looks good. That looks good. Get a little shine to the cheeks. We like that. We like to see that. There we go. Oh, very gently. So we're going to go... let's try and read the back while it's up there. Contour palette. God. I don't know I don't know the name of this process is, so we're just going to do sort of contour colouring. Okay, so now we are on the eyebrows, and this is... Oh, so clearly... So, you're not applying any colour. This is just to sort of sort out. Oh, cabrow. Oh, cabrow. Okay, so... Oh, there's even finer little brush. It's got... Oh, wait. Okay, so we've got a little colour here. So this is... I don't know the word. I don't know what the word is. God, I'm gonna get slated for how little I know about this. Eyebrow lining. We go eyebrow lining. Eyebrow definition. Is it eyebrow definition? We're defining the eyebrow. There we go. We're defining the eyebrow. Adding some density to it. I don't think that's the right way to put it. Okay, so. Really jazzing it up here. Okay, all right. She's stunting. Okay. Okay, very nice. Really defined eyebrows now. Really defined eyebrows. Oh, and we dropped something. Shambles. Okay, so now we are adding a little bit of height. Is that it's still on the palette, but oh, she's using the mirror. Okay, so James Charles, of course, of course, James Charles Morph. I remember being in the queue. Well, one of my friends was buying that. That was a very long queue. That was. That's a big color palette. Okay, so going for the top left, going for some pink again. This is going above the eye, so this is eyeshadow. We're going to say this is eyeshadow. Oh, we're going for the a little darker. Okie dokie. Gonna apply that just in the corners. Oh, okay, so I see it. Okay. Oh, I like adding a bit of yellow, bit of definition. Don't poke your eye out, Leah. Be careful. We don't want it. We don't want this to turn into an emergency. Right. Okay. So both eyes, very nice. Get a bit of definition. I think we're still on. Yeah, we're still on the eyeshadow. I think this. No, this is eyeshadow. Oh, I don't think this is eyeshadow anymore. I'm starting to doubt myself now. Right. So we're gonna go for another sort of creamy, sort of browner colour. Starting to see the trend of what colours we're going for right now. We're again applying even more layers to the eyes. I honestly don't know how many colours have gone on this now. Go for a white. Okay, we're going to get a bit of a shine again. Dabble very gently. Very gently. And we're just going underneath the eyebrow. And I won't lie, it doesn't look like it's been applied, but I trust the process. Trust the process. Okay, so now that's really coming on. That's coming on. I unfortunately did not see. Oh, she's put it. Oh, it's just on the. Oh, it's just in the palette. Okay, that looks nice. That looks very nice. A little bit of shine like you did on the cheeks. That's good. And just in the corner. Ooh. Ooh, is gonna. Oh, yeah. That'll glisten in the corner of anyone's eyes. That's gonna catch. That's gonna catch the views. That is. Kiko. Oh, here we go. Okay, so, uh, eyeliner. Eyeliner. I think. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, this is a tricky one. Oh, this is annoying as well because she told me about what this one's called the other day, and I think that I'm probably wrong when I say eyeliner, but that looks really good. That wow! And now we've got to top it off. Let it glow. Let it shine. There we go. Spray it over. This is. I thought there was going to be something red then. Oh, okay. So this is. Oh, now I'm starting to doubt if no. That the first bit. That other bit was definitely eyeliner. So this is. Um. Oh. Not eyeshadow. No, I've already used eyeshadow. No, it's. Oh my god! This is shocking. This is shocking. I don't know what. I don't know what. In the pressure, under the pressure, what they're called. The words just go out of my mouth. I can't think of what it could be. Okay, so this is lipstick. Of course, this is applying lipstick. Um, won't lie myself. I have been the subject of being covered in makeup, particularly having a younger sister, and applying lipstick has never gone very well. So you've done that very well there, better than it went with me. But yeah, we're looking very, very nice. Very good. Really like the bold lipstick. I love the shine in the corner of the eyes and on the underneath the eyebrows. That's good.
So I've now finished my makeup and I'm really happy with it. I'm really excited to see how Brandon covers that and narrates and how he describes me doing my makeup and if he gets everything right with names and stuff. But yeah, it should be interesting. Really like this makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye.